What if I told you the reason your English is stuck is not your grammar, it's not your accent, it's not your vocabulary, it's one teeny topic you have been skipping your whole life. And that topic is the weather. Think about this. You study English for years, you know tenses, you know vocabulary, but then someone walks to you, a co-worker, a stranger, a neighbor, and they say something simple, cold today, right? And your brain just freezes. You had one job and the weather beat you. Don't worry, that's exactly why we are here today. Here's your challenge. It has 3 parts. You are going to listen, you are going to repeat, and then you are going to speak on your own. No script, no help, just you and the English. And honestly, if your sentence comes out a little strange, if the word disappear right when you need them, that is not failure, that is proof you are learning. Learning is not always neat. Sometimes it is awkward before it becomes comfortable. So stay with me, let's go. Repeat after me, say it out loud. Don't just think it, say it. It's a bit overcast today. Overcast. The whole sky covered in the clouds. Gray, soft, like the word hit the mute button. This wind is honestly so rude. You felt that one, didn't you? Really, English sounds like a reaction, not a robot. I'm feeling a little under the weather today. Under the weather, not sick, not dying, just off. A little tired, not yourself. A little not yourself. It finally clears up this afternoon. Cleared up. The clouds left, the sky brightened. Say it like you have received. Come rain or shine, I'm going for that walk. Come rain or shine, nothing stops me, not even weather. That's commitment. That's commitment. Here is the thing nobody tells you about English: small talk. You don't need a clever sentence. You need a human one. Real people don't say the atmospheric conditions are quite unpleasant today. Nobody ever says that. They say I'm so muggy. I feel like I have already lived a full day and it's only 9 a.m. Or a lovely morning makes me want to actually go outside for once, or even just, this heat is too much. Short, expressive, alive. That is the English that opens conversations. Not perfect, just real. Describe the weather where you are right now in 3 sentences. Use at least one word from today and make one sentence sound like a reaction, not just a description. For example, I'll go first. It's a bit overcast here today. The kind of gray that makes you want tea and silence. Honestly, I don't mind it, but I really hope it clears up before evening. Your turn. Say it loud right now. Pause the video if you need to, and then put it in the comments. Because I read them, and I want to hear your weather today. Here's what I want you to remember after today. Progress in English is often quiet. Sometimes it's just, I understand that, or wait, I think I could say that. Those moments feel small, but they are real. And I'm JMKS. If this helped even a little, like, subscribe, and drop your weather in the comment. I'll see you in the next one.